fun with phonics. I spy phonics with our friend Spelly-Bee. Hello little explorers, what adventure will we have with Spelly-Bee today? What can you see, Spelly-Bee? I spy a magnifying glass. I spy some children. And I spy a phonics sound. Do you know what game we're going to play today? Raise your hands if you know. Today, we are going to play a fun game of I Spy to explore our phonics sound. What sound are we looking for today? There was a clue already. Did you see it? Amazing if you spotted the sh sound. Sh, sh, sheep. Now it's your turn. Look closely and see if you can find all of the hidden items that start with that sound. You have 30 seconds to find 5 objects. You might even see more. Keep the words in your head, or you could even try and write them down. Spelly-Bee loves to see you having a go with your spellings. Let's have fun and learn together. Raise your hands if you found the objects. Press pause now and get ready to share your answers. Here are your answers. Press pause now. Amazing work, superstars. It's time for us to buzz off now, but we'll see you on the next sound. Bye-bye.